Hi, my name is Brad Stark. I'm an attorney here at Fisher Stark Cash. Oftentimes, folks have questions or concerns that they often think need the advice or representation of an attorney. Throughout the years of my practice, I've had the opportunity to represent numerous individuals and businessmen in addressing their legal needs. Based on that experience, I have a scenario I'd like to share with you that may let you know whether or not you may be in need of our services or the services of an attorney in general. In this particular situation, a client was injured in a motorcycle wreck while riding a bike through no fault of their own. The injuries suffered were a result of the negligence of another driver, and the question was presented, and the client was informed that they were only entitled to recover the liability limits of the negligent driver's insurance policy. And the client's issue was, shouldn't that person or their insurance company be responsible for paying all of his medical bills that resulted from the wreck? The short answer to that question is yes. The person that was driving and caused the wreck should be responsible for all those medical bills and other damages that resulted from the wreck. However, in North Carolina, the liability limits of a policy are the extent of what an insurance company will likely have to pay in the event of a claim by their insured. So in this particular example, it may be possible, depending on the assets of the person who caused the wreck, to exhaust the liability limits on the policy and then continue efforts to try to collect monies from the responsible person. Those efforts would go outside the limits of the liability policy and look at other assets that person may have. Oftentimes that takes some creativity and some digging on our part. We like to think we're fully capable and qualified to do that. We've done it in the past, but it's really an analysis that needs to be made after the accident has happened, obviously, and through some due diligence on our part. So if you find yourself in that situation, I would suggest contacting an attorney and letting them take a look at it. Please remember that every case is unique and requires specific analysis. If you think you need the services of an attorney here at Fisher Stark Cash, we highly encourage you to contact us at the information you can find on the screen. And myself or one of my law partners will be glad to speak with you. Again, my name is Brad Stark. I'm an attorney at Fisher Stark Cash. We hope you found this information to be useful. We would encourage you to share it with friends or loved ones who you think may also benefit from it.